Friends. Hi friends, how are you? I'm fine, and I'm Roach. I'm studying diploma second year. First, today I want to introduce how to book railway tickets in irctc. Okay, friends. Firstly, we have to go to the Chrome. On Chrome, we have to search the irctc trains. irctc.co.in. After loading, we get one display of irctc. Firstly, this is irctc display account. First, we have to select from where we have to go. From where to where? From I want to go from Nasapuram to Tirupati. So on from I entering Nasapuram. N-A-R-N. Narsapur. To I want to go to from Nasapuram to Secunderabad. Okay, on you have to select date on like this. I want to go on 31 on this month. From I want to book sleeper class. If you want to choose AC, first you should click on AC first class. If you want to choose AC2, you should click on AC2 tire. If you choose AC3, you should click on AC3 tire. So I want to book sleeper, so I'm clicking on sleeper class, and I want flexible with date, and flexible with date is known as the date is not adjustable for that date only. It changes from it varies, and she seats all the dates. So I tick it, find trains, then I click. Now you can today you see here you see a display of new. There is a 4 trains from Nasapuram to Hyderabad, Nasapuram to Nagarsul Express, Nasapuram to Secunderabad Express. Its departs on for Sunday and Friday. Okay, friends. For availability, we have to check here. After after that, there is a rate here 265 rupees, and there is an availability on 31. If there is an availability, we should book here. Then I press booking. We should enter our username and password too. After entering our password or username, the process will be continued. That's it. That's it, friends. I think I can understand. This can understand you better. Better India, clean India. Thank you.